Welcome back. You are still tuned into Open Studio with myself, Usihle, and Loreene, and as well as Nenetee. Now, Loreene, I know that many women have chosen to stick to their natural hair. They've decided to stop relaxing their hair. What do you think they've made their choice?
Yeah, it's a good choice. As you can see myself, I got a natural and I'm wearing a natural hair.
Yes.
So I like it. I think it's you just like you are naturally beautiful, and it's just natural as you are, and you just need to add some treatment to know how to maintain it. Okay. And this is how to be. For me, it's just nice. Yeah, I would advise them to stay like that, but to not just say that I got a natural hair, so I'll just keep it that way, but you need also to add some treatment and oil to moisturize it so that it can stay nice and, yeah, moisturize, yeah.
All right. And Nenetee, I know that many women use braids because they say that, you know, their hair grows real quick when they have braids on. Do you agree with that statement?
Yes, the hair grows with waves, braiding. It depends what you can do in your hair, but
okay.
Yeah.
So does the growth of the hair depend on how long you choose to let the extensions?
Yes, it depends. It depends. You
on
can't stay with a braid like 5 months, not washing, not treat. After that, when you take it off, it's gonna break your hair. So you can braid your hair, but after a month, you need to come for treat and wash and to moisturize your hair so your hair will be fine.
Okay.
Then start growing.
In most cases, many women experience bad and heavy dandruff. What is the cause of that?
The cause of dandruff?
Yes, because you know when they leave their extensions for long and then they get, you know, heavy and bad dandruff. What's the cause of that?
The cause of dandruff and on the scalp, it's due to many, not that many, it's 2 or 3 things. First of all, it's for those that relax. I would go for those that relax it. She will say, I didn't have a dandruff when I was wearing my natural hair. But now that I'm relaxing, I notice for a while, after a while, that I got a dandruff. What caused that dandruff for someone who got a relaxed hair? It's the way they wash the chemical on the scalp. Because when you don't wash the chemical, normally has with the proper shampoo, because there's a shampoo that is made like they made it for the chemical. To go after chemical, you have to wash with the shampoo to neutralize that action of a chemical. But now, like in this salon, most of the salon, they know that, but when the customer in, maybe they don't have that shampoo at that time, so they will use any shampoo without knowing that can cause something after a while to a person. After that action of chemical can stay in someone's scalp even for 2 years or 1 year. Believe me, that is how it works.
Wow.
I know what I'm talking about.
Okay.
And then after that, what it causes, your scalp will be sensitive. Even when you touch it with your own finger, you feel pain. And if you put a comb to comb it normally, you feel pain. And it's that chemical, when it stays in there, and there's nothing to find it to nullify that action, then it will come out. It will come out as a way for it to breathe into true dandruff.
Okay.
That's what causes dandruff in someone who has relaxing hair. But in someone who got a natural hair, the dandruff is due to how you treat or you wash your hair. What do you use?
Okay. Nenetee, you also said that you do dreadlocks as well.
Yes, we do.
Right. So would you guarantee, would you actually allow a child from 6, of course, to have dreadlocks?
No, because dreadlocks is so painful,
Is
especially
it?
when you are starting with children with 6 years old.
And also there was a picture on Facebook that was circulating about a child. It was a child. She has dreadlocks and she looks probably like 4 or 5. Her scalp is shining. And it is so painful. Apparently
Yes.
she had to go to see a doctor because I think they damaged her you know, part of her, what do you call, scalp. Yes, yes.
Yes, it's so painful.
Is
I
it?
can't allow, or I always tell the parents not to put the dreadlocks on children. 6 years, maybe 12, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And something that is also new now, people that have had dreadlocks for long and they tire from that, they actually choose to cut them and they sell them. Is that a good thing to do, to sell your hair to somebody else?
It's not bad. It's like we are using also Brazilian hair. It's somebody hair. They go and treat, wash, and then they come and sell to us. So it depends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And you, Miss Rocking Natural Hair, you've got a little something for me. You've brought me this,
Yes.
and you've brought me this as well.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more of what is this exactly. Tell the viewers actually. What are these?
Okay, can I please have it? Let me take it out of the packet. Okay, so this, it's the big comb, the wide comb as you can see it. And this is something we call nozzle.
Okay.
It's something that the stylists will recognize and know what is it. It's not made like on the market, because it's something new. It's just, yeah. We put it like on when you want to dry a hair, you put it there. Instead of having that normal thing, we put this, we use this.
Okay.
We use this because sometimes when you are blow drying someone's hair,
Tell the viewers right there.
okay, when you are blowing someone's hair with the normal comb, especially the other which got small thing, a person can feel pain but without knowing, and you don't feel it because you are just concentrate on what you are doing. So we use this because it's wide and it's just going smooth and smooth. And for these ones,
Okay.
it's just attached to the dryer. You can put it with the dryer and you touch it with this and touching the hair as well.
Okay.
So when you are putting it and you are going from small, slowly.
Tell us a little bit more about it after the break, right? Please stay with us more on how to treat your hair and take care of your hair right after the break.